Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a brand new update on WhatsApp Web that lets you receive links directly from your computer. This new feature makes it so much easier to organize and keep track of important links you've exchanged with your contacts. Let's go step by step through how to do it right now. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. You can do this by going to the official WhatsApp web page and scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're in, you'll see your usual chat list on the left. Next, look over to the left side menu and click the media icon. This is where WhatsApp now stores all your shared media photos, videos, documents, and links. It's your one-stop place to manage everything you've sent or received. Now, from the Media tab, choose Links. This will bring up all the links you've received or shared in your chats. If you often share articles, videos, or website references, this section will be especially useful. At the top of the window, click on the Sort icon. This allows you to arrange or filter the links based on different categories. From the menu that appears, choose Others. This is the section that gives you control over organizing specific types of content. After that, click the Select icon at the top of the window. This will activate selection mode so you can pick multiple links at once. Now, simply select all the links you want to keep for easy access. Once you've chosen them, click the star icon at the top of the screen. Every selected link will now be starred, meaning they'll stay pinned and easy to find later whenever you need them. And that's it. You've just learned how to receive links in WhatsApp Web's newest update. It's a small but super handy feature that keeps your important online content right at your fingertips. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow for more simple tech tips and updates.